Hello students. Students, now when we know what is unemployment, what are its types, we must be curious about what are the reasons why so many people are unemployed, right? So here we will understand the reasons of unemployment. Children, the first reason is high population, that is increase in population. Students, this year there are so many people who are unemployed. Another year they will be added even more. So the first reason, this we understood in economic development as well, that in any country when the population growth rate is high, every problem is going to be high. So yes, the first reason is more number of people, increased population. Second is lack of practical knowledge. In the next class I will show you the data that there are more of educated unemployed than uneducated unemployed. So we must be curious that uneducated people find job and educated don't. So the reason is educated people are educated for namesake only. They basically do not have practical knowledge. And in this world there are many examples of people having less literacy, but because they have a lot of practical knowledge, they manage to be leading rich people on globe. Yes, that is possible. So yeah, the practical knowledge attitude is not present in our society, and that is also one of the reason of unemployment. The third is failure in providing employment. Government does efforts, but it's not only government's efforts that can help. Even the private sector has to come forward. Every industry tries to cut cost by having less number of people doing maximum work. So yes, non-presence or say absence of employment opportunity is also one of the key reason of unemployment. If we get opportunity, people are ready to work out there. But in absence of opportunity, what can one do, right? Next is irregular rainfall and lack of irrigation facility in agriculture. 70% Indian population still depend on agriculture, and in agriculture rain is very uncertain, and our government is not able to provide irrigation to all the farms. So in the days when they have no water, even if they are willing to work, even if they have farms, they are not able to make money. So we can say insufficient agricultural infrastructure is also one of the reason. Now chalo, they don't have water, understood, but then they can have some another alternative option other than agriculture when they are free. But then there is lack of alternative employment as well. They really do not know that what other than agriculture they can do so that their money, their flow of income is everlasting. Next is weak condition of cottage industry. The cottage industry is very weak. The cottage industries are place where there is less use of technology and more use of manpower. So we can say it's not a capital intensive industry, it's a labor intensive industry. Now there is a scope to accommodate more number of people, but then that industry itself is weak. That industry needs empowerment. So by default, people will also get employment. Seventh is caste system. Whether we accept or not, till date there is a bias or maybe a stereotype towards certain castes, and those people are given less preference for job, and like-mindedness or same caste people, they are given more opportunity. So to the lower intensity now compared to earlier, but yes, this is also one of the factor. Being educated, we need to get rid of this issue from our mind. Every person who wants to work, who is capable enough, should be rated on the basis of his quality and quantity of work, not his caste, right? Next is joint family system. In India today also joint family system is quite popular, wherein 15 to 16 people live in one house and the earning members would be hardly 3 or 4. So all others are dependent on these 3 and 4 people. So this joint family system, okay, if it is a joint family system is not an objection, but then maximum people working outside should be encouraged. We find in metro cities the nuclear families where the couple stays and they have a kid or maybe two and both the parents are working. That's ideally a situation wherein nobody is burdened to anyone and the family can really grow. So this joint family system, they are not so much promoted to work, and that's why unemployment prevails. Lack of courage to set up a new business. People do have ideas, people do have willingness to work, but then they don't have the guts to work. So lack of courage to start a new business, because if that fellow will have courage to start new business, he will require people in his business. But because he is not bold enough to start, the probability of getting so many people employed dies there. So yes, this is also one of the reasons. Low growth rate in industrial sector. In industrial sector, the employment growth is not there. I tell you why. There is one machine, that machine requires 4 people. Now that machine cannot accommodate more than 4 people. So whatsoever the size of that factory is, that is the size of required people. It cannot increase even if the work increases, or it cannot reduce if the work reduces. So more or less industrial sector cannot help promote more employment. So their stagnancy is also one of the reason of unemployment. Saving tendency of people. Yeah, this is good also, this is not good also. Saving really helps our economy. It boosts the economy. It helps in the pandemic situation like the current ones that we are going across. But when you save money, you don't spend, and because you don't spend, some other will not earn. Because of that, some other not earning, he won't spend, and then another one won't earn. So the rotation of money in the economy will slow down. So that is one of the key reasons. People will have less work, people will require less people, and then there will be more unemployment. We can never ever imagine without understanding economics that my saving tendency can also affect economy, can also affect unemployment, right? So understanding economics very truly or in a pure form or in a real way is really important. Economics, children, is not only a mark scoring subject or for marks that we learn. We actually understand it and broaden our mindset. We get to know about how country works, right? And last one is flaws in skill training and experience. People either who are energetic, they don't have experience, or people those who are wanting to work don't have skill, and people who are ready to learn skill are not having training exposure. So we have some defect in our system wherein there are few people who are wanting to learn and work, they don't get opportunity. There are some people who are lazy enough and not wanting to grab the opportunity. So there is a lot of mismatch, and the role of you people, students, is to understand this and make sure that you keep away from it, right? So they are the reasons of unemployment. See you in the next class, children. Bye bye.